Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S86 PRO, and I'll show you how to animate ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sound section. Here we can see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to animate our device ringtone, we should swipe this white dot to the left to the right side with our finger. Also we have the second way how we can do that. So first here, be sure that in the volume button control function we have selected the ringtone, not the media. So if you have selected the media, switch it to the ringtone, and after that just bypass our up or down volume button. We can see here the volume panel, and now just to unmute our device ringtone we should press only up volume button. And now as can you see, we just successfully unmuted our device ringtone. Also we can do it by the third way, just press up or down volume button, and after that just with your finger swipe to the up this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.